Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramenator coming at you with another Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got a pack, which will be review number 3095, I think. Now, I think that it's either Daikoku or Daikoku-ken, but I'm not... I've heard of Daikoku, but never of Daikoku-ken. But yeah, there's like scant information on this package. Like, is there even a phone number? Not that I'm seeing right off. Usually you can like look at or buy. Oh, that might be a phone number. Yeah, there is one. Short though. Daikoku-ken Tonkotsu from Japan. This came in a Japan ramen box. It's a subscription box. You can get every month from Japan. They're a new company. They sent me one way back, but they're now going to be regularly sending subscription boxes to me. Just throw the noodles in the boiling water. Which I am very thrilled about because all these different companies find different things to send, and so it's a really neat and wide array of different interesting things. 3 minutes, don't boil over. There we go. So, what is new today? Tomorrow is the big election. I voted like 3 weeks ago, though. In Washington State, it's all absentee. Now, they've been saying a lot of stuff about how you don't have voter fraud when there's absentee ballots. I'm sure there's about as much voter fraud with absentee ballots as with non-absentee ballots, honestly. I don't think there's really a lot of it. I mean, how many people... When you consider there's thousands and hundreds of thousands of votes, how many people really want to risk committing a federal crime to back somebody? I think that's like really strange and odd. How many people want to commit a federal crime to get, say, money? There's something in it for them. I mean, it's like committing a crime that could get you like 10 years in jail for a single lottery ticket. It just doesn't... I think it's a big load of crap, honestly. Although, lately I've been getting things, your signature doesn't look exactly correct. It's like, dude, the signature I wrote when I was like 18. It's changed a little, I'm sure. I don't know. I don't have like a single signature, so... But anyways, yeah, tomorrow is the big day, and it should be interesting. Honestly, I'd like to see the liberal side win and do really well, get the House and the Senate, drive that guy in charge really insane. I don't think they're going to get either. Honestly, every time I get my hopes up, never happens. It's because Democrats are lazy and they don't go out and vote. It's true. Even here in Washington, you've got lazy Democrats that can't even... They have it now, you don't even need to put a frickin' stamp on it. I go out and get my mail in the mailroom at the apartment complex, and what do you see? Tons and tons and tons of ballots and voter pamphlets in the trash. It's ridiculous. It's like... I've seen that so many times around here, and it's just like... Freaking lazy piece of craps. But they'll go and complain about everything that's going on. Hey, the government screwed me over. But, and vote. Because that's the only thing you can really do about it, unless you're a nutcase. And even then, it doesn't seem to do much. So, and time. So, let's see. We got our noodles cooked. Here's how they're looking in the Piznot. A little stir. These look like noodles. as they should. You know, there's something disquieting when you make noodles and they don't look like noodles and they look like something completely different. You know what I really like is that the sun is peeking out again, which means really good photos. But the thing that's crummy is give it 2 minutes and that sun will be gone. Oh, no, look, it's already going. Yep. That's the kind of weather we've been having lately, folks. It's like, it's really, really bright and sunny, and then it's just like gone. All right. Alright, let's give this a taste with the spoon of hope and glory. Spoon of hope and glory, not a trademark of the Ramen Raider. The music stopped. Oh, there we go. You know, I'm gonna taste this now. Damn, that's hot. Tonkotsu, huh? Okay. These noodles look like noodles I'll like. As long as they don't, like, try to bite me. They don't like being bitten by noodles. Yeah, they've got a nice gauge. A little bit of bounce. Yep, noodles I like. Broth's pretty good. Broth could have a little more grumba, as a Nautican would say. You have no grumba! Picked this bowl up this week. This is pretty snazzy. Check it out. Is that how it's supposed to be? Yeah. It's pretty cool. I wish there was more of the ocean things on the side, and I wish the tail of the dragon matched up with the side, because it's like it might, but here's this side and then here's this side. I don't know. I'm like trying to visualize, but it's just not working for me. So let's put these noodles and broth in here. Funny, doesn't it look like, oh, I don't know, that green curry? Except it's not the other kind of noodle. Mung bean sprouts. And I'm going to attempt another one of these eggs that didn't work out so well. Just because I'm gonna. Come on. Work with me. Oh. Interesting. This may be good, folks. This may be really, really good. Or not. Yeah. Wow, that is one soupy egg. Let's see if we can get some of this off the side. There you go. Come on. Move over a little bit. You guys got enough room. There you go. Pretty, pretty. Oh boy. Look at that. Oh. Eggy wags. Let's do this chashu. It's hungry. Yeah. I don't know. I don't like that placing so much, but it's just kind of like how it's going to be. Okay, and we're going to use this. Some Togarashi. And we're also going to add some of this. Some seeds. That's more than plenty. That's more plentiful than more. Wow, that's about as goopy as an egg can be. Yeah. Yeah. This is like a toughie. That's what you get. And if you were here, I would let you eat it. So, but you're not, so you know what happens. It's going to be a huge montage video of noodles going down the drain sooner or later. I think I've got like 14, it'll be now, videos of me dumping like full bowls just like this right down the drain. So it's like people are going to get angry. Like, how can you do that? But then they get mad because they're like, dude, you can't eat instant noodles all day, every day. It's like, I don't. It's like, they don't believe me. So it's like, what do I gotta do? Oh, I'll do that. Anyways, thank you for watching. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. If you like this video, please click like. Please subscribe. If you subscribe, it makes me really happy, especially when you hit that little notification bell. That lets me know that you're loving it. So, here's some other stuff to watch. Yeah. You will like it. You will. I'm telling you. Have a good one. Bye.